check out the drift cars that are about to go out. My mate Rob's going to have the GoPro out there, so I'll show you that footage as well. Let's go. We got Rob here. He's come up from Tasmania. The MotorEx here in Melbourne. It's been an awesome show. You've been enjoying it?
Yeah, awesome cars out there. And
sick, eh?
Yeah.
You're not really a car guy, but you do appreciate a lot of the old classic cars here.
People put a hell of a lot of work into the cars, like the engraved stuff.
Oh, yeah, all the low riders, the Harleys.
Yep.
The engraving is just sick. Yeah,
and the exotic cars like the Chevys and the what's that really long one? The Las Vegas one.
Oh yeah, that's the low rider, one of the low rider ones there.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
Oh, Chevy, yeah. So Rob had the task to jump into one of the drift cars. I did not make him jump into it.
No?
But he, no, I didn't. You wanted to. Yeah. And you were shitting yourself, weren't you? He's never been in a drift car before.
I thought he was about to collide at one stage.
Yeah, no, that's crazy. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. Thanks for catching up. He's from Tasmania. He's obviously
flew up for this.
Yeah, flew up and caught up with me, which Rob used to work for us back in Perth years ago. So good old buddies, and yeah, it's good to see you here. Yeah, thanks for coming up.
Thanks for the invite, mate.
Yeah, that's all good. So yeah, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Take care.